Today, we're going to show you how to best install the ThinkBoard X on most common surfaces as chosen by our first 2,500 ThinkBoard X customers. Check out the video description below to see the list and time of different installs. Here are the tools you'll need: the ThinkBoard X, a cloth, and a bit of water, preferably in a spray bottle. We like to put a credit card between our cloth for a super thorough application. There are two main techniques: wet and dry application. The one that will work for pretty much everything is the wet application. This technique is critically important for very smooth, finished surfaces like glass, refrigerators, countertops, and plastic surfaces. First, wet and clean the surface. Make sure to get rid of anything that makes the surface bumpy. Spray or spread some water on the surface and gently peel the ThinkBoard X off of its backer and lay it on the surface that's been lightly sprayed. Use the cloth to press down the center of the ThinkBoard and make a cross. Create a vertical line, then a horizontal, and fill in the rest with one overlapping stroke at a time. Feel free to adjust the ThinkBoard as necessary. Wipe the surface and you're ready to go. As we said, this application method works with any super smooth surface using the same steps: clean, spray, lay it down, cross, clean. Not all surfaces, however, are good to get wet. If you're installing a ThinkBoard X onto a typical wall or slightly textured surface, you can follow the same steps as a wet apply, except for spraying down the surface before installing. Here's an example. First, wet and clean the surface. Remove the backer, line up the ThinkBoard. Gently drape the ThinkBoard onto the surface. Make a cross pattern, vertical first, then horizontal. Smooth out the rest of the corners. Here's a few more for reference. If you've got any more questions, reach out to us via the live chat on our website or shoot us an email. Remember, it's just a ThinkBoard, not rocket science.